Hey, guys, you gotta get back in there and finish the dance.
Hey, man, look at Marvin's hand. He can't play with his hand like that, and we can't play without him.
Yeah, well, look, Marvin, you gotta play. See, that's where they kiss for the first time on the dance floor, and if there's no music, they can't dance. If they can't dance, they can't kiss. If they can't kiss, they can't fall in love, and I'm history.
Hey, man, the dance is over, unless you know somebody else that can play the guitar. This is for all you lovers out there.
Earth angel, will you be mine? My darling dear, love you.
George, aren't you gonna kiss me?
I don't know.
Scram, McFly. I'm cutting in.
Earth angel, the one I adore.
Hey, boy, you all right?
I can't play. Excuse me. No, I don't go.
Come on, man. Let's do something that really cooks.
Something that cooks.
All right.
All right, this is an oldie, but, well, it's an oldie where I come from. All right, guys, listen, this is the blues riff and B. Watch me for the changes and try and keep up, okay?
Way down in Louisiana, down in New Orleans, way back up in the woods among the evergreens, there stood a log cabin made of earth and wood, where lived a country boy named Johnny B. Goode, who never ever learned to read or write so well. He could play a guitar just like he's ringing a bell. Go, 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 Johnny, go, 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 Johnny, go, 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 Johnny, go, go.
George, heard you let out big. Nice going.
George, you ever think of running for class president?
Johnny be good. Go, Johnny, go, go. Go, Johnny, go, go, go. Go, Johnny, go, go. Go, Johnny, go, go, go. Johnny be good.
Chuck, it's Marvin. Your cousin, Marvin Barry. You know that new sound you looking for? Well, listen to this.
Okay, guess you guys aren't ready for that yet. But your kids are gonna love it. Right.
Marty, that was very interesting music.